Have you been dreaming of starting to trade but know nothing about it? I have a solution for you. Complete market analysis, 24/7 monitoring of 48 currency pairs, and all of this in one trading bot. Automated trading has exceeded all expectations and taken trading to a new level. We'll show you everything now. All you need to do is simply create a new account on pocketoption and make a deposit of $100. That's all. Just 2 simple steps, and you'll unlock automated trading that will change your life forever. Now that the bot is fully configured, all we have to do is observe and wait for the results. If you are a new user and don't know how to find our Autobot, simply scroll down to the description below the video and you will find a link there or in the pinned comment. And so the bot has already registered our first win and first loss. Let's see what the Autobot is capable of, and at the end, we'll summarize how many winning and losing signals there were. For now, make yourselves comfortable. We'll speed up the video a bit so you can observe the Autobot's work in action. It's simply incredible. The balance is increasing with every trade. You can check it out for yourself right now by following the link in the description and start earning with the Autobot. And we continue our trading session. Despite the volatile market, the bot prevented our balance from dropping during this period. It simply maintained it. Today, our goal is to make at least $500 in a single trading session, to clearly demonstrate that 5 minutes of work with the automated bot can yield such significant results. I think we can leave the bot running for the third part of the trading session and see if it can achieve the desired result. Fantastic! You all saw the results yourselves, friends. The profit is in our account. Here are all the closed trades, friends. You can count for yourselves how many profitable and unprofitable signals there were. Even despite such a volatile market, the bot coped with the task. Don't miss your chance to start trading fully automatically. Just follow the link in the description.